Good afternoon, Elizabeth. This is Skip Jackson from Local Ford. Just want to send you a video of this 2014 Lincoln MKZ. This triple coat platinum white exterior with tan perforated leather interior. It has a 3.7 liter V6, 42,000 miles. And as we open it up, you're going to see that this vehicle is not missing any of your expected bells and whistles. Once again, tan leather, perforated leather, heated seats, sunroof, navigation, push button start, as well as a push button shift for this vehicle. And there are your buttons as you see them. You just press the one that you want. Navigation, you have your 8-inch screen, which will handle your phone, navigation, climate control, and audio, roomy rear seat. This is a nice looking vehicle, ready to test drive and make a great deal. Once again, the price of this vehicle is $23,449. If you would please give me a call. My cell phone number is 678-578-9390. Look forward to talking to you. Thanks.